This is a video on how to install paper on a Cardioline AR2100 ECG machine. The paper, once you unwrap it, will have this cover. You will discard that. And a couple things to note, if you look on the paper, you'll see some markings towards the end of the sheet. So I apologize, here it is. So if you see these lines, it's on there to tell you that you are running out of paper and you need to get more soon. So with that, we know that this will be the bottom of the stack, and so you want to make sure that's towards the bottom. There's also some writing. There's some English here, patent pending, and on the grid itself you will see Cardioline, or sometimes Cardioline won't be there, but there will be some numbers identifying the type of paper. The Cardioline uses thermal printer, so it will print on the gridded side. And so if you just make sure that the streaks are on the bottom and that the wording is lined correctly corresponding to the machine, there shouldn't be any problems. You'd want to start off by opening the cover, and I apologize, I'm doing this all with one hand while holding the camera. Open the cover, and also if the first page is down here, you'd want to tuck this back so you have access to it. Sorry, I'm showing you there. The first page ends here. You'd want to tuck this back so you have access to it. You'll notice there's a black mark here, which is the page break mark, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. So fold this back. You'd want to grab the stack and go ahead and feed it into the slot that's on the side of the machine, and slide that all the way through. And you'd want to have this page feed out across the body of the machine. You can tuck the pages into this red strap, and as you can see, this black, it's hard to see, but there's a eye right here. It's a sensor that's going to look for this black mark, and it will tell the machine where the page breaks are, the perforations. So all you need to do once that's in is close the lid. Now the paper is installed. You can test it by turning on the system, and then once it's on, you could just hit auto. And what that'll do is it'll give you it says recording right now. You can't see it on here because it's hard to see, but it says recording, and then it'll take a 10-second sampling, and the first thing it's going to do is look for that page. Well, it didn't do it here. It did on the first time, but it'll give you the printout. And then once it's done printing, it should feed until it reaches the end of the perforation. It's looking for this black mark on the page. So when you rip it out, you'll have perfect perforation, so it's ready for the next test. So the next printout will be perfectly aligned on one exact page. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you could contact us at Cardiac Direct. Thank you.